can I take that trash out for you? The Excalibur, maybe I can take that trash out for you. That's what it's back for. Only damn office on Monday. I got confused. I don't even know what fucking day it is. I think it's Friday, isn't it? I hear that whole deal up in Virginia, and I do believe I got that today. See, I didn't know Virginia. I'm talking to places I ain't been. 360, love. Why, see? So anyway, I'm confused. Don't tell me myself. I'm like you, man.
Oh, we're gonna try to roll on through. Absolutely, giving it a try from the old northeast corner. 122, a state of Maine.
122, state of Maine. 711.
Hey, Carpet. Hey, Carpet. We're gonna see if we can't wave a hand down your way. Absolutely jumped in my receive. Most definitely did. Hey, Carpet. 122 Maine waving.
Yeah, right back, big brother. If I can do it one more time, man. Hey, 122, if I can do it one more time. Appreciate the rundown. This will work, man. Try it one more time there. Even time, 122. Hey, 122.
And Carpet, that old work van is definitely got it going on. Hey, Carpet, that old work van of yours is making it happen up here in the corner. 122, bumping it down and letting you know.
Hey, 122, appreciate it. Bump down once again. And yo, your weekend coming up, 122.
Right back at you, Carpet. You take care. Always good hearing you rolling up here into the corner. 122 back out of the road. Click, click.
Good morning, my friend. 122. You got Rambos. Illinois. 005. Illinois. Stonewall Jackson. Yeah, I shouted for you a couple times there, RP, see if you can hear me. Hey, 122, 711, waving a hand.
Waving right back at you, 711, sounding real good up here in the corner. 122 Maine, kicking it back.
Hello, 122. Hello, my friend, 122, old number 2, Dodge truck in the Carolina.
Number 2, you got to warn me before you do that. You got one heck of a signal. You're mashing my meter. Hey, number 2, Dodge truck. Good afternoon. Sound real good up here in the corner.
Yeah, 410. Well, I heard you doing your talk show. I just want to jump in and put a big wave your way. Hey, it's 122. Welcome to the cotton picking weekend. It's going to be a good one. 122, your number 2 is right back.
Absolutely. Alright, you got a big old hammer. Hey, number 2, that old Dodge truck. You got a big old hammer rolling up here in Maine. Hey, and right back at you. Welcome to the weekend. Hopefully it's going to be a real good one. Absolutely. Hey, Dodge truck. 122, kicking it back.
All right, brother. Be safe, my friend. You on with your talk show. I'm going to get my knees in the breeze. No two ways about it. 122, your number 2, the Beast of the East, is pulling right straight back.
Have yourself a good one. Absolutely sounding real good up here. Number 2, you absolutely sounding real good up here. No doubt, and the gates don't lie. Hey, we're going to wave and get back out of the road. You take care. 122 on the side. Click, click.
Call radio Tennessee with the waves right there. Hey, Good afternoon, Air 122, waving a big old hand from North Carolina. 804, west side of Carolina, Spreaker.
And 804, we're going to wave a hand right back at you, sir. Sounding good out of the Carolinas, 122, state of Maine.
A lot better conditions today, anyway. Working the old striker on the base station today, 804 Carolinas, man. Enjoy that skip, I'll see you.
Right back at you, 804, right back at you. And that old striker is sounding real good. Real good, nice and loud, and their old signal isn't that shabby either. Hey, 804, we'll absolutely do it again. Good hearing you up here in the corner, 122 Main, back out, click, click.
Hey, 122, you're blowing smoke in Florida.
I think we heard a 711 Florida roll up in there. We're going to see if we can wave a hand down near the pile, 122, state of Maine.
Absolutely 122. I heard we're back on the side.
Right back at you, 711. Definitely rolling in off that old sand pile. Absolutely are. You take care. 711 Florida. 122 Main waving and back out. Click, click.
South Carolina and the mobile waving.
53, hey, 53, South Carolina. That mobile's making it up here to Maine, no doubt. 122, we're letting you know.
No.
Carpet get in there. I heard that old carpet right back into my receive. Absolutely. That old work van of his has got it going on. 122 waving down there. Carpet sounding good.
Yeah, right back, man. Just want to see if I still have it. Come on, come in. See if I had a little bit of time.
Absolutely do, Carpet. You absolutely do. I don't know if you're making your own conditions or what, or maybe you just got some kind of connections with that old Mother Nature. But hey, whatever it is, hey, it's working for you, no doubt. Hey, Carpet, good hearing you once again. 122 Main waving.
Hello, 122 State of Maine, Elliot Ness, 144. Hello, 122 State of Maine, Elliot Ness, 144. I'm waving. All right, hello.
144, Elliot Ness, sounding good off the pile. 122 Main, spiking it down, trying to let you know.
Real good copy there, 122. Long time no speak on. I'm going to speak to you while I got my opportunity. 122 State of Maine, Elliot Ness, Tampa Bay, Florida.
Hey, and you doing it. You definitely getting it done. Elliot Ness that got it going on off that old sand pile. Most definitely do. Shooting right up this old coastline into the old receiver mine, no doubt. Hey, Elliot Ness, 122, a State of Maine, taking it back.
Back to, hey, 122, 30 over. You sure sounding good, too. Good to hear from you, man. Have a great weekend, 122. I'm going to let the band roll on. Elliot Ness, Tampa Bay, Florida. I'm down.
Right back at you. Hey, Elliot Ness, always a pleasure. Sounding good. 122 Main, back out. Click, click.
Click, 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 click. Hey, 122. Tell my neighbor down there. Radio, no doubt. 804 Carolina Street. Hello, around the X-Land, 26, southern tip of Georgia, around the swamps, in the cotton field, break a bunch of bees.